Hey, welcome to another QMark video. So in this video, we're going to explore this website called TryHackMe. Hope you guys heard of this website. If not, I'll tell you what is this website. So in this website, there will be a lot of rooms and machines where you can go and you can hack through them. The website allows individual to learn and practice their hacking skills. Where few machines will have free walkthroughs, few machines where you need to upgrade your plan to premium. I'll highly recommend you to do if you're interested to do that. I'll leave a link in the description to navigate to the website called TryHackMe. So they have machines that you can go and hack them. So for this video, we're gonna hack this machine called Mr. Robot. That's a CTF. Yeah, it is based on a real world hacking scenario and it is based on this popular Netflix series called Mr. Robot. Hope you guys would have seen that. If not, I will highly recommend you, before going into the video, go and check the trailer out. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process to hack this Mr. Robot CTF. So there will be three key pairs. So let's see how a real world hacker deals with this real world hacking scenarios. Let's get into the video and see how I'm going to do that. So for this video purpose, I'm using my Linux PC to do the attack. Once you sign up with this website called TryHackMe, this will be your dashboard. Now go to Profile and go to Access. Now download this VPN file. Save. I'm saving that file in my desktop. I'm making a folder called Mr. Robot. Saving my VPN file here. Now open inside terminal. Now type sudo open VPN space the file name qmarkyt.ovpn in this case. Type your sudo password. Now you're connected to TryHackMe network. Now go to learn, go to all rooms and search for Mr. Robot CTF. This is the machine what we're gonna hack in this video. First you need to join in this room. Task 1 is nothing but they're explaining you how to connect to the network. That's what we just did. So I'm just giving completed, and I've completed with this, I completed with this. So basically these are all instructions. If you want, you can just go through each and every line. So now we need to click on Start Mission. It will take 1 minute to show the IP address. Open any terminal. I'm navigating to the folder what I just created. Now we got the IP address, just copy the IP address. Go to terminal. Now we need to start with our enumeration. Since we got the IP address, the first step will be, let's do an Nmap scan on that IP address. So Nmap scan is nothing but network scanning. So the command to execute Nmap is sudo space nmap tag sv tag a is for aggressive. Basically tags activate few functionality in the Nmap tool. Copy paste the IP address. I'm saving the output in this file called nmap out.txt. Enter. Type your sudo password. Let it take some time. See, let's read the description what they are giving. Can you root this Mr. Robot styled machine? This is a virtual machine meant for beginners and intermediate user. There are 3 hidden keys located on this machine. Can you find them? Right. So this is our task. Right. So this is our task. So which means 3 keys are hidden inside that machine. So we need to hack this machine to find all these 3 keys. Let's see. So let's check out the Nmap results. So now we got the results of Nmap. So here we can see, so in port 80 we can see there is a website that's getting hosted and there is an SSL port. Since we came to know it has a website in it, let's use burpsuit. So burpsuit is another tool that helps you to intercept with the traffic that's been communicating from the website to the server. Now I'm copy pasting the URL. Let's see what is this website. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. So you have to authenticate. Wow, you can see the website is getting loaded. It's full of hacking scenes. This total website is based on this series called Mr. Robot, and that's the reason why I asked you to go and check it out. Oh man, this mission is too good. So it has totally 6 commands. So let's try what does this command prepare do. Oh shoes. Oh, it plays the video. Oh, check out this video, yeah. Who is MrRobot.com? Okay, let me type help. So what does this other command do? Oh, again this plays another video. So again that played another video. Let's see what does this wake up command do. So basically there is video for everything, huh? Okay, since we came to know that this is a website, let's use this tool called GoBuster. Let's see whether we can find any interesting things with the help of GoBuster tool. Before going to the next step, open your browser and type QMR online GitHub and click the first link. So this is my GitHub profile. Go to repositories and go to Mr. Robot CTF and download this full repository. Either you can download this as zip. I'm using the Git URL. And let me expand this. Now type git clone and paste the URL. So basically this command clones my repositories. So let's see what are the files available and navigate to Mr. Robot CTF. Type ls. So we have few files that I can use to do this attack. So GoBuster, after giving the URL, now type tag and type dir space word list. So navigate to that file. So basically tag w is nothing but we're going to specify the word list. So we're going to use this word list called wordlist gobumper.txt. Now inside that folder type wordlist gobuster.txt. If you press tab, it will autofill. And we want to find the extension of .txt. We're going to specify this tag called x to specify the extension. And I'm storing this output in this file called gobuster out.txt. Let me break this command. So basically we are giving sudo permission and using this tool called gobuster, specifying the URL with this tag called u. This is the URL where I'm targeting, and we're going to use a directory search and with this word list with the URL what I specified for this word list and with an extension of .txt. Let's run this command. So now we came to know there is this folder called /wp-admin. So basically this is a WordPress site. Cool. So basically this is a WordPress site. So first let's check this /robots.txt. We can see there is 2 files. So one is key1. So this is the key one. So we got the key one. Let's open the key one in another tab. Copy the URL and paste the URL. Hey, we got the first. Finally we got the first key. Hey, so finally we got the first key. Let's verify with this machine. Yeah, we got the answer right. Okay, let's go back to the website. Hey, this is QMark from the future. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. As I was playing this Mr. Robot CTF, I thought the video would max go for 10-15 minutes. But actually when I was playing the game and I'm doing the post-production, I came to know the end video might touch around 20 to 25 minutes. I don't want you guys to watch me for continued 20-25 minutes. So that's the reason I'm breaking this video in 3 parts. So the part 1 will be the flag 1, so that is this video, and the part 2 will be for flag 2, and the part 3 will be for flag 3. I'm planning to upload all the other 2 videos in this week. So what I want you guys to do, when I was playing the Mr. Robot CTF for the first time, I recorded each and every step of what I'm doing and I made a notes of those steps, and that's available in my GitHub profile. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll request you to do check it out. You can follow those steps to solve the flag 2 and 3, but anyways the walkthrough is coming soon. Do like this video, share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this.